nice sky pictures. We're still about in Lakeland. Kid is doing amazing, right, bud? Eyes on the road. High hopes. High hopes we're gonna get there. That's the name of this song. Oh, gonna rain. My son's gonna drive in the rain. It shouldn't rain for that long because it looks like it's gonna clear up. Keep your eyes on the road. We're on I-4. It's nice to be the passenger. Trying to see what else. This weather is just a la 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 la. It's like coming down right there. See how it's dark right there? I don't know what that's called. Oh, guy on a motorcycle, please be careful. It gets slippery and you're on a motorcycle. I want to find a sign to see where we're exactly at. So I have to wait for another green sign. Oh, Lakeland. It just says Lakeland. So we're still in Lakeland, like I thought. Or at the end of Lakeland. Clear it up. A little bit, sort of.